Are on the way to Virginia's schools, 5 million to be exact. It's all part of an almost $50 million infrastructure grant from the U.S. Department of Education being dispersed across 8 states across the country. Sarah Hammond is in the studio with more.
Well, today, U.S. Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona, Senator Tim Kaine, and Congressman Bobby Scott visited Victory Elementary School in Portsmouth to discuss how the $5 million over 5 years can be used. U.S. Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona spent Thursday afternoon touring a Portsmouth elementary school with Congressman Bobby Scott and Senator Tim Kaine.
I hear this is the smartest first grade class in America. Is that true? It is?
During his tour and a roundtable with superintendents across the 7 cities, Cardona emphasized the need for strong infrastructure in schools.
Infrastructure is equity. Infrastructure leads to achievement.
Congressman Scott says there is a big gap in local investments in schools, saying in 2020, half of the districts in the country needed to replace major systems. He cited chronic neglect.
Unfortunately, these kinds of improvements are too often the exception, not the rule, due to disinvestment.
The superintendents emphasized security concerns in older buildings and overcrowding. They also touched on the struggles of paying for and replacing HVAC and electrical systems and weighing the cost of putting on Band-Aids or building new facilities.
We realize we all have to work together, and that was what we heard from the regional superintendents today.
So as part of the Supporting America's School Infrastructure Program, Virginia will get $5 million over the span of 5 years with the goal of more equitable access to healthy, sustainable, and modern learning environments.
People are leaving the profession, and a big part of it is working conditions. This is about kids, right? And giving them a fair shot at success.
The 8 states that are receiving the funds will be able to conduct school facility needs assessments, hire new staff, and develop or improve public school infrastructure data systems. Back to you.